Welcome to Touring Globe. Here are 10 top RV destinations in the USA. 1. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming. Geysers and hot springs. Visit Old Faithful, the most famous geyser, and the colorful Grand Prismatic Spring. Wildlife spot bison, elk, and grizzly bears in their natural habitat. Scenic drives. Enjoy the Grand Loop Road and Lamar Valley for breathtaking views and wildlife watching. RV-friendly spots. Fishing Bridge RV Park, located near the lake, offering full hookups, but reservations are essential. Open from mid-June to mid-September. Madison Campground, no hookups, but provides access to popular park areas. Reservations recommended in peak season. 2. Grand Canyon National Park, Arizona. Views. Experience panoramic views of the canyon from various viewpoints like Mather Point and Yavapai Observation Station. Hiking. Explore trails such as the Bright Angel Trail and South Kaibab Trail. Rafting. Take a rafting trip on the Colorado River for a unique perspective of the canyon. RV-friendly spots. Mather Campground, located at the South Rim with limited hookups. Reservations highly recommended. Desert View Campground offers basic amenities with a more rustic experience, providing a quieter setting. 3. Yosemite National Park, California. Landmarks. See El Capitan, Half Dome, and Yosemite Falls. Hiking. Discover trails like the Mist Trail and the John Muir Trail. Scenic drives. Drive through Tioga Road and Glacier Point Road for spectacular views. RV-friendly spots. North Pines Campground, located in Yosemite Valley, with limited hookups. Reservations are a must during peak season. Wawona Campground offers some sites with full hookups and is close to the Mariposa Grove of giant sequoias. 4. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Tennessee/North Carolina. Cultural sites. Visit historic log cabins, churches, and grist mills. Hiking. Explore the Alum Cave Trail and Klingman's Dome. Scenic drives. Enjoy the Cades Cove Loop Road and Newfound Gap Road. RV-friendly spots. Elkmont Campground offers RV sites with access to the park's popular hiking trails. Cades Cove Campground provides RV sites with basic amenities and proximity to wildlife viewing and historic sites. 5. Zion National Park, Utah. Canyons. Marvel at the stunning views of Zion Canyon and the Narrows. Hiking. Challenge yourself with the Angel's Landing Trail or explore the SWAT Canyons. Scenic drives. Drive through the Zion Mount Carmel Highway for dramatic views. RV-friendly spots. Watchman Campground offers some sites with electric hookups and easy access to park shuttles. Reservations recommended. 6. Acadia National Park, Maine. Coastal views. Enjoy the rugged coastline and beautiful ocean vistas. Hiking. Explore trails like the Precipice Trail and Jordan Pond Park. Scenic drives. Drive the Park Loop Road for panoramic views of the park's diverse landscapes. RV-friendly spots. Blackwoods Campground offers RV sites with basic amenities, including access to hiking trails and coastal views. Seawall Campground provides RV sites in a more secluded, forested area. 7. Glacier National Park, Montana. Glaciers. View the stunning glaciers along the Going to the Sun Road. Hiking. Enjoy trails like the Highline Trail and Grinnell Glacier Trail. Wildlife. Spot mountain goats, bighorn sheep, and grizzly bears. RV-friendly spots. Opgar Campground, located near the west entrance, offering RV sites with varying levels of amenities. St. Mary Campground provides RV sites with various amenities and access to the eastern part of the park. 8. Mount Rushmore National Memorial, South Dakota. Monument. See the iconic faces of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Nearby attractions: visit Custer State Park, Crazy Horse Memorial, and the Badlands. RV-friendly spots: Rushmore's RV Park, located close to the monument, offering 4 hookup sites and convenient access to attractions. COA at Mount Rushmore provides 4 hookup sites with scenic views and additional amenities like a pool and mini-golf. 9. Lake Tahoe, California/Nevada. Outdoor activities: enjoy skiing, hiking, and water sports on the lake. Scenic views: take in the stunning views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Local culture: explore the vibrant local communities and casinos. RV-friendly spots: Camp Richardson offers 4 hookup sites with easy access to lake activities and the nearby town of South Lake Tahoe. Eagle Point Campground provides RV sites with basic amenities and scenic views of the lake. 10. Florida Keys, Florida. Colon Beaches: relax on beautiful, sandy beaches and enjoy water activities. Fishing and diving: take part in world-class fishing and diving experiences. Scenic drives: drive the overseas highway for breathtaking ocean views. RV-friendly spots: Sunshine Key RV Resort offers 4 hookup sites with waterfront views and access to resort amenities. Big Pine Key Fishing Lodge provides RV sites with 4 hookups and proximity to fishing and boating opportunities. Let me also give you a comprehensive guide to RV travel hacks. 1. Choosing the right RV model. Class A motorhomes features luxurious interiors, spacious living areas, multiple bedrooms, and high-end amenities. Pros: ideal for long trips, family vacations, and those seeking comfort. Cons: expensive to rent and operate, larger and harder to maneuver in tight spaces. Class B motorhomes, camper vans features compact size, built on a van chassis, basic amenities like a small kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping areas. Pros: easy to drive and park, fuel efficient, great for couples or solo travelers. Cons: limited space and fewer amenities. Class C motorhomes features distinctive cab-over design, balanced in size and comfort, with a full kitchen and bathroom. Pros: affordable, family-friendly, and offers a good mix of space and drivability. Cons: less space compared to Class A, but more manageable than larger RVs. Travel trailers features towed behind a separate vehicle, available in various sizes and configurations. Pros: flexible, can be unhitched to explore with the tow vehicle separately. Cons: requires a suitable tow vehicle, parking and maneuvering can be challenging. Fifth wheels features large trailers with a special hitch that connects to a truck bed, providing spacious living areas and multiple slide-outs. Pros: offers high-end features and ample space, ideal for extended stays. Cons: requires a truck with a fifth wheel hitch, can be challenging to maneuver. 2. Rental costs and booking tips. Rental costs: Class A motorhomes, $200 to $500 per night. Costs vary based on size, model year, and luxury level. Additional costs may include mileage overages and insurance. Class B motorhomes, $100 to $250 per night. More budget-friendly, with basic amenities. Class C motorhomes, $150 to $350 per night. Mid-range option with family-friendly features. Travel trailers, $50 to $150 per night. Additional costs for the tow vehicle if not included in the rental. Fifth wheels, $100 to $250 per night. Requires a truck with a fifth wheel hitch, adding to the overall cost. Booking tips: book early, secure your RV rental well in advance, especially during peak travel seasons like summer and holidays. Compare prices, use multiple booking platforms to find the best rates. Check for additional fees such as mileage charges or cleaning fees. Read reviews. Look for reviews of both the RV model and rental company to ensure reliability and quality. Understand insurance. Review the insurance options provided by the rental company. Consider additional coverage to protect against potential issues. 3. Toilet cleanup and maintenance. Toilet paper. Use RV-specific paper. RV toilet paper is designed to break down quickly and prevent clogs in the black tank. Avoid using regular household paper. Tank additives. Purpose: additives help control odors and aid in breaking down waste. Popular products include RV Digested and Thetford Aquachem. Usage: follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct amount and frequency of use. Additives should be used with each black tank flush. Emptying the tank: use dump stations. Find dump stations at RV parks, rest areas or dedicated RV facilities. Empty the tanks before they reach full capacity. Cleaning: rinse the tank with a dedicated tank rinser or hose attachment to ensure thorough cleaning. Use biodegradable soaps and avoid harsh chemicals. Cleaning supplies. RV Safe products. Use RV Safe cleaning products to avoid damaging the tank or plumbing. Avoid using bleach or other strong chemicals. 4. Water refills and management. Fresh water hose. Use food-grade hoses. Purchase hoses labeled as drinking water safe to ensure the water is free from contaminants. Water conservation. Install water-saving devices. Use low-flow showerheads and faucet aerators to reduce water usage. Limit use. Be mindful of your water consumption, especially when camping in remote areas without easy access to refills. Refill points. Plan refills. Research RV parks, rest areas, and campgrounds with water hookups. Plan your route to include refill opportunities. Check quality. Verify the quality of the water at refill points, particularly if you're in a remote area. Use a water filter if necessary. Wastewater management. Biodegradable soap. Use eco-friendly, biodegradable soap to minimize environmental impact. Regular maintenance. Monitor and manage wastewater levels, emptying tanks as needed to avoid overflows. 5. Packing and preparation. Essential gear. Kitchen supplies. Bring cooking utensils, pots, pans, and eating utensils. Consider packing a portable grill or camp stove for outdoor cooking. Bedding. Pack sheets, pillows, and blankets or sleeping bags. Check the RV's bedding arrangements and bring extras if needed. Cleaning supplies include a broom, dustpan, cleaning cloths, and RV safe cleaners. Storage solutions. Bins and organizers. Use storage bins and organizers to keep items tidy and easily accessible. Utilize overhead storage and underbed compartments effectively. Route planning. Research destinations. Plan your route and research campgrounds or RV parks along the way. Consider making reservations during peak travel times. Emergency plan. Prepare for emergencies by knowing the locations of nearby service centers and having a roadside assistance plan. 6. Driving and safety. Pre-trip inspection. Systems check. Inspect brakes, tires, lights, and fluid levels before departure. Ensure that the RV's engine and systems are in good working condition. Safety equipment. Check that safety equipment, including fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and road flares, is in place and functional. Driving practice, maneuvering. Practice driving and maneuvering in an open area to get comfortable with the RV's size and handling. Route planning. Plan your route carefully, avoiding narrow roads, low clearances, and tight turns. Use RV-specific GPS devices or apps for accurate navigation. Safety precautions. Follow speed limits, adhere to posted speed limits, and adjust your speed according to road conditions and RV size. Use turn signals. Clearly signal your intentions when changing lanes or making turns. 7. Cost-saving tips. Loyalty programs. Membership programs. Join RV Park membership programs, such as Passport America or Good Sam Club for discounts on campgrounds and services. Free camping. Public lands. Explore free or low-cost camping options on national forests, Bureau of Land Management, BLM, lands, and other public lands. Be sure to follow local regulations and obtain any necessary permits. 8. Parking tips. Plan ahead, research options, use RV park directories and apps like RV Parky, Campendium, or Allstays to find suitable parking spots. Reservations. Book in advance to secure your spot, especially during peak seasons or popular events. Check space requirements. Size matters. Ensure the parking area can accommodate your RV's length, width, and height. Check for space to extend slides if applicable. Accessibility. Choose parking areas with easy access to amenities and nearby attractions. Practice parking. Use spotters. Employ spotters to help with parking and maneuvering. Communicate clearly to ensure accurate positioning. Rearview cameras. Utilize rearview cameras or monitoring systems to aid in parking and avoid obstacles. Consider height and weight limits. Check restrictions. Be aware of height and weight restrictions on roads, bridges, and parking areas. Consult RV-specific maps and guides for information on restricted areas. Leveling. Leveling blocks. Use leveling blocks or an electronic leveling system to ensure your RV is parked on a level surface. This helps with appliance functionality and overall comfort. Respect regulations. Follow rules. Adhere to campground and parking area rules, including quiet hours, parking boundaries, and waste disposal guidelines. Be courteous. Respect fellow RVers by maintaining a reasonable distance and keeping noise levels down. Be mindful of other RVs. Maintain space. Leave adequate space between your RV and others to avoid encroaching on their area. Ensure there is sufficient room for easy access and privacy. This detailed guide covers everything you need to know for a successful RV trip in the USA, from selecting destinations and RV models to managing logistics and parking. Happy travels and enjoy your RV adventure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.